To send Bitcoin to an address on PayPal, you need to understand that PayPal does not directly support Bitcoin transactions. However, there are workarounds to achieve this. First, you need to have a PayPal account and a Bitcoin wallet. Start by setting up a Bitcoin wallet if you do not already have one. There are many options available, including online wallets and offline hardware wallets. Choose a wallet that fits your needs and follow the setup instructions provided. Next, you need to obtain the Bitcoin address of the recipient. Since PayPal does not support Bitcoin, you will need to use a third-party service that allows you to link your PayPal account to your Bitcoin wallet. One such service is a cryptocurrency exchange that supports both PayPal and Bitcoin transactions. Create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange that supports PayPal, such as Coinbase or Kraken. Verify your account and link your PayPal account to the exchange. This will allow you to fund your exchange account using PayPal and then use those funds to buy Bitcoin. Once you have funded your exchange account, use the funds to buy Bitcoin. The exchange will provide you with a Bitcoin address where the purchased Bitcoin will be stored. However, if you want to send Bitcoin to someone else's PayPal account, the recipient needs to have a similar setup. They need to have a Bitcoin wallet and a cryptocurrency exchange account linked to their PayPal account. You can then send the Bitcoin to their Bitcoin address, and they can use the exchange to convert the Bitcoin to their local currency and transfer it to their PayPal account. It is essential to note that using a third-party service to link PayPal and Bitcoin may incur additional fees and may not be available in all regions. Always research the services and fees before using them. Additionally, make sure to follow best practices for security, such as enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your account information private. In summary, sending Bitcoin to an address on PayPal requires using a third-party service to link your PayPal account to your Bitcoin wallet. You need to set up a Bitcoin wallet, create an account on a cryptocurrency exchange, link your PayPal account to the exchange, buy Bitcoin, and then send it to the recipient's Bitcoin address.